We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 10. Okay, so first of all, we will open our instruction file. It is just getting opening. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss XP25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 flight plan. We just increase its size so it must be visible to everyone. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward the whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? So in today's assignment, we have just 10 points. You may see we have just 10 points. Question number 1 is also non-graded and question number 10 is non-graded. Meaning we have 8 questions in today's assignment. Okay. Let me start today's assignment step by step. You may follow me. You will get E grade 100% marks. Our today assignment name is XP25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 flight plan. Here's project description. Okay. So we just increase its size and change its color so it must be visible. So you are a student at Aviation Expert Flight School in New York City, and as a part of your training you are required to create flight plan for cross country trip. You have decided to import your destination information into Excel and use 3D map to create an animated tour of cities you will fly over. Okay, that was simply instruction about project. We have to read this description. Okay, by reading this description we get idea that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Okay, so after reading description of project, now we are moving toward graded part, and in graded part we have just 10 question. Okay, remember that we are solving XP25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 flight plan. So now we are moving toward graded part. So steps to performs instruction. Okay, so in question number 1 we have to start Excel. Okay, then download and open the file name XP25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 flight plan. Okay, this one. Then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay. So first we have to open solution file. We call that solution file. Okay, then you may see. Okay, once it open then we will start. Okay, yes, then first we have to click on enable editing. Okay, now you may see our last name is there in the beginning of file. Okay, that is that grader has automatically added our name there. So question number 1 is done. In question number 1 we just simply start Excel, then download and open file name XP25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 flight plan. Okay, then grader has automatically added our last name to the beginning of file name. So question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Question number 2 is quite big one, mean it's 20 points question. Use get and transform tools to import the text file. This one. Okay, so now we have to use get and transform tool to import text file. Okay, this text file we have to import. So for that we have to click on data, then get, and we have to get a text file, so we have to click on text file. Okay, so it will just take some second. There, yes, ML2, yes, this one. Load. It's just loaded. Okay, yes, done. Okay, so question number 2 is quite big one. Okay, that we have done. Okay, in question number 2 we just use get and transform tools to import text file, this one. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 3. Rename the worksheet flights. Now we have to copy this one from here, then or right click on this sheet or rename, then control V. Okay, so question number 3 is done. In question number 3 we have to rename the worksheet to flights. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Added connection properties to refresh when file is open. Added connection properties to refresh when file is open. Okay, there is added okay, so that is not graded one. Okay, simply added connection properties to refresh when file is open. Okay, so question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Question number 5 is big one, in which we have 15 marks. Okay, so insert 3D map that uses a latitude, a longitude as a location dimension, this one. Okay, so we have to select both ranges, then we have to create 3D map, insert map, and that is 3D map. Okay, so we have to, for that we have to select whole, then insert map, yes. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we have to insert 3D map that uses latitude and longitude as a location dimension. So after solving question number 5 we get this result. Okay, so in question number 6 what we have to do, we have to zoom in until New York City fills the screen, then rename scene 1 as New York, then set the scene duration to 4 seconds and the effect to dolly. Okay, so in this way we will solve question number 6 step by step. Then we move toward question number 7 and solve question number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last part is just like we have to save and close this XV file that we have done, then simply exit Excel file, then submit and get the result. Okay, so in today's video we have discussed almost 50 to 60% assignment. Remember that today assignment name is XP25 Excel chapter 10 ML2 flight plan. In start we discuss project description and discuss each and every point in description. Then we move toward graded report and we have solved question number 1 step by step. Then we move toward question number 2, and we have solved question number 2, in which we have to use get and transform tool to import this text file. Okay, after importing this text file, then we move toward question number 3, and in question number 3 we have to rename the worksheet flights. After rename that sheet, then we move toward question number 4, and question number 4 is a non-graded one, but we have solved, in which we have to edit the connection properties to refresh when file is open. Then in question number 5 we have to insert a 3D map that uses a latitude, a longitude as a location dimension. So after solving question number 5 we get this result. Okay, then in question number 6, what we have to do, we have to zoom in until New York City fills the screen. Rename scene 1 as New York, set the scene duration to 4 seconds and effect to Dolly. So question number 6 is done. Same way we will solve question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so almost 60% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Result will be 100% and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Okay, remember that in today's video we have discussed almost 60% assignment. But if you need help regarding other assignment, you may also contact me. And remember that our next video will come soon, so for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.